In this landscape, we have decomposed granite walkways that lead to different areas of the landscape. This leads out to a circular paver patio that we installed. Here, she can put out her morning furniture and enjoy her coffee, or bring out a portable fire pit when friends and family come over. On the outside, you can see buildings and storage units, and she wanted to be able to look out her window and not see that, so we installed these screening shrubs. In addition, we also installed a stacked slate urn. We have multiple trees installed for shade and of course more screening. And throughout the landscape you can see these fractured boulders that accent the landscaping. We also added a little green. But I think the best way to view the whole thing is from up above. This entire landscape is lined with a professional weed barrier to keep the maintenance down. And check out the detail on these decomposed granite walkways. Both sides are lined with metal landscape edging to separate the gravels from the decomposed granite. The fountain was installed in front of the picture windows and can be enjoyed during the daytime as well as the night. It was installed with night lighting.